Yesterday we had a fab day. Okay, this is the 6th vlog. I'm going to start bringing these vlogs back because I really want to continue documenting my journey and showing you guys what it takes to get an app this size off the ground. Yo, it's update time.
Good stuff.
I'll show Duncan the latest things we've pushed.
Does anyone want to eat else something? Sorry.
Anyone else want tea or anything?
I'll bring coffee.
We've got an amazing new guy on board. His name's Zohar. You'll meet him soon.
You understand my approach. It has to be a science. It has to be question. Every time we question what I'm doing here, what the user is doing here, what he want to, how do I get him here, and what I want him to do next.
He's bringing some incredibly fresh ideas and just helping us take the idea to the next level.
What is the login for? How do I get to the login screen? And why should I press the login?
Login, or how do you get to the login screen?
Both. Maybe I can see the app before I should log in, to see what's happening inside.
This one?
That's what
I just get into the app and you want me just to log in. Wait, let me see something. Let me see what it's all about,
And this is the actual journey of how it works, and it tells you what the app does and how to use the app and the funding quality properties, etc.
Yeah, it's
So we're going to try and attract buyers and try and attract sellers.
You were talking about the login, and that's not a good place to start. That's fine. I think you're right. You need to see what's inside the shop before you're even interested. So you do have to download the app though.
So now you need to imagine that I'm a user in some small town and I see the ads. I'll come to invest $5,000. Yeah,
Right.
the ad on the street or the ad online in Facebook, right?
Okay.
I press it, I get to the page. I want to see the thing, right? I want to see what is inside and so on. There, by the way, Lisa, there is a statistic that if you ever log in the first page, 65% will they uninstall the app. So in that screen, we have a lot of options how to catch the user to continue to call to action to our purpose. Once I press the ad, it means that I have some will, a specific will. The will is, maybe I will buy a property, maybe I will be a owner of a property. Why? Why I'm looking on the property? Do I want to buy the property? I want to invest? Do I know to invest? What is my motivation to stay on this page?
That's where those screens come in handy.
The new user, listen, I already press. Take me to the market. It says marketplace. Take me to the marketplace. So this has to be a choice, up in some menu, open info, open explanation.
I actually agree with going to the marketplace as quickly as possible. But I also agree that some users, they might want to have the option to see how the marketplace works, or you might be able to go at it a different way.
I think in any point, any stage, any window, you need to have a list of questions. What are the questions that guide you to build the window, the screen, right? So you need to express it somehow. You will invest $1,000, you will get 20,000 shares, and you will get it for life, and you get the commission or the income or whatever.
There are other reasons, exactly what you're saying, Zohar. There are other reasons why I want to put my money into one of these assets. I just don't know which one yet.
If you want to send a user to a landing page that's a marketplace, you can't display only one property and then scroll or swipe or whatever. It's just not enough. So as of tomorrow, if you buy shares now, as of tomorrow you're making money.
Yeah.
Also, if it has a high estimated yield, but all these need to be tagged separately in the background, you need to determine what are the filters for those properties and to then display to the user for them to understand.
We've built an astonishing amount of the technology already. The whole exchange marketplace is pretty much finished. We're looking now in depth at the UX, the user experience, and all of the branding and marketing. We're talking about launching a pilot version of the app and hyper-targeting a specific demographic. We're talking to property developers, agents, individual sellers, big landlords, lots of people who are keen to partner up with us on our platform and make it available to our users. And we're just trying to make sure we bring the best value back to you as users. We will do some due diligence beforehand to make sure we think it's something suitable. So we're constantly trying to tweak every area of the business and make sure that when we are ready to launch properly to the market, that we've got something to shout about. So, welcome.